If you are looking to trade binary options in a profitable way, then this strategy is for you. This strategy is so simple that right after watching this video, anyone can start to use this strategy to make profitable trades while trading binary options, especially inside pocket option. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has 92% payout. To make this currency pair favorite, you just need to make this stars yellow in this way, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Once you have done this much, then just make your candlestick as 30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Once you have done this much, then your trading time frame should be of 1 minute. But if here is a flag like this, you change it to clock and then select M1. So now your trading time frame is 1 minute, and then just type the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then go to indicators, and then firstly let me remove these indicators. So firstly you just put bull's power and make it 3px. Similarly, go to RSI and again click on this pencil icon and make all of these 3px in this way. Click on save, and then at last use the indicator that is called stochastic oscillator. Just click on this pencil icon and again make all of these 3px. You don't need to make any changes to its default setting. Default setting is fine to go with. Once you have done this, then just click save and you are good to go now. So the strategy is extremely simple. Here you can see whenever all of these three indicators give you the signal in the same direction, like if it is going up, if it is also going up, if it is also going up, then you can make trade by clicking on higher. As you can see here, right now it is showing in upward direction. It is also showing little bit upward direction, but it is flat, so you don't make any trade in this kind of market. So I'll find a currency pair where it is showing a good trend of the indicator, like it is showing upward or downward, and then I'll show you how to make the trade. So this is a good example. It is also going upward, this is also going upward, and it is also showing in upward direction. So just make trade by clicking on higher in 1 minute time frame. So let's see what happens in this trade. As you can see here, another 30-second candle has started to form. So let's see how much time is remaining. 42 seconds. So let's make it bigger, and as you can see, it is going beautifully in the upward direction. So here you can see indicator is also indicating the upward direction here. So let's wait and see how much time we have remaining. 22 seconds. So we have 7 seconds, 6 seconds, and we made a profit of $92, as you can see here. Now let's find another one. So this is another good example. Here you can see all of these three indicators are facing downwards, so we can easily make trade by clicking on lower in this kind of condition. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. As you can see here, so let's wait. We have like 40 seconds remaining. Let's wait and see what happens in this trade, and don't forget to like this video. And if you want some free binary signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel to get free binary signals. And if you want to copy my trades, then in that free Telegram channel you can see all of the details on how you can start to copy my trades. So as you can see here, market is trying to go beautifully down, but again it is also trying to go up. Let's see what happens in this trade. How much time we have remaining? 6 seconds is remaining. Most probably we are going to make profit in this trade if this doesn't source upwards. Yeah, we made a profit in this. So guys, in this way you can make trades and be profitable by using this simple strategy. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.